Get ready to test your luck in this Choose Your Gift, Ice, Lava, or Rainbow challenge. Let's start. Choose your car, ice, lava, or rainbow. I hope you got something fancy. Which popsicle would you choose? Oh man, that first one sucks. Pick out your AirPods. Are you happy with your choice? Choose your bed. Did you get a comfy one? Which toilet would you choose? Ouch, that first one looks painful to sit on. Choose your treasure chest, ice, lava, or rainbow. Phew, glad I didn't choose that last one. Which phone case do you prefer? Hope you didn't pick ice. Choose your indoor slide. A slide with blades? No thanks. Will it be an ice, lava, or rainbow gaming chair? Are you happy with your choice? Which lunchbox will you bring to school? The last one is really gross. Choose your backpack, ice, lava, or rainbow. These bags are cool. Well, except that first one. Choose your watch. So stylish. Which pencil case would you pick? Did you make the right decision? Choose your ring. I hope you chose something nice. Up next, choose your tumbler. Did you get lucky? Would you wear ice, lava, or rainbow shoes? I bet you can totally rock those shoes. Choose your castle. Would you live there? Which candy will you try? Hope you got something delicious. Let's pick out your laptop. I guess you could say that laptop is frozen. Choose your motorcycle. Definitely not driving the last one. Which dress would you put on? Oh, I hope you didn't pick ice. Pick out your label. That label looks evil. Choose your fireplace. Did you make the right choice? Choose your couch, ice, lava, or rainbow. I hope you got lucky. It's time to choose your guitar. Are you satisfied with your choice? Choose your cupcake. I'm not eating that first one. Choose your swinging chair. That looks relaxing, right? Which nail art would you get? Uh-oh, I hope you didn't choose the middle one. Choose your game controller, ice, lava, or rainbow. Which game would you play with these? Which plane do you prefer? Oh no, I hope no one's inside that plane. Choose your jacuzzi. Good thing I didn't pick the last one. Choose your night lamp. Which one did you get? Which headphones would you choose? I hope you chose wisely. Choose your perfume. Well, that's got to burn. And finally, choose your staircase. Did you luck out? Thank you for watching this video. We hope you had some fun. We'll see you.